Tools: drill, keel, screw rod, screw and nut, expansion plug, square regulator, gasket. Drill a hole in the keel and place the square regulator. Place the screw rod and expansion plug. The size of the screw rod is determined by the height of the top panel. Tighten the nuts, and the keel of the first sealing is installed. The second sealing is for the FFU. The demo video sequence is slightly different from the actual installation sequence. You can see that the square regulator is placed first in the video, and the screw rod needs to be installed first in the actual installation. Then assemble the two keels together. Place gaskets on both sides and tighten the nuts. This is the installation of the secondary sealing. The top-mounted panels need to be secured with long outer hexagonal screws.